The new National Commission for Families and Children is comprised of 14 representatives from public and private sector partners, including members of the NGO community. It is a statutory body that is legally mandated to promote, monitor, and evaluate Belize's compliance with its national and international commitments to children and serves as a major advisory body to the government on families and children's issues.
We will be changing the name from committee to commission. A commission receives a remit, receives a commission to do work, and that is what we intend to do in line with Plan Belize. And of course with the focus on families, which is actually in the name of the ministry now. Some of the mantras of our ministry are equality, inclusion, respect, engagement, communication. And I think that Petal joining us is something really, really good. We respect and involve and engage our LGBT communities and also Autism Belize. I think Ms. Almeida from Autism Belize really will bring a lot to the table in terms of inclusion. As you do know, Marshall Nunes is at our disabilities desk, and he has really hit the ground running in terms of that real advocacy for the inclusion of persons with disabilities, anyone with special needs.
Minister Dolores Balderramos Garcia says that this time around there was need to ensure that everyone had a say. Sharice Talbert is the president and one of the founding directors of the Promoting Empowerment Through Awareness for Lesbian Bisexual Women, better known as PETAL. She says that it is a step in the right direction.
There is a lot of talk where it concerns inclusion, but inclusion doesn't necessarily extend to LGBT families. And so to be a part of the committee and being able to actually be at the table is, for one, groundbreaking for us, because we've been invited into the spaces, yes, but never really and truly to actually be a part of, I know that even being at the table where it concerns decision making, that we're there, but in some aspects where it concerns families, and families is not the traditional just a mom and a dad anymore. And so to bring that type of inclusivity, it means a lot to us.
We are trying to embrace values of inclusivity, of responsiveness, trying to bring in new perspectives, fresh areas, and be as responsive as we can, as relevant as we can in these changing times. Try to address issues that affect families and children in Belize.
Irene Palacio Morgan is chair of the commission. She says that the work of the NCFC continues.
We have several activities, programs. We have subcommittees of the committee itself, including policy and legislation, monitoring and evaluation. So those subcommittees continue the work. The new head committee of the National Committee for Families and Children will meet and we will plot the way forward with our strategic plan.
Duane Moody for News 5.